Well, done a lot of work to it just to get it out here so I could do more work to it. So there's a long list of to-dos, but we have a list of basics that I think I covered pretty well. So, new brake lines, new springs, new tires. Yes, I need new windshields. I need to adjust the front grille. I need to put some rivets on my aluminum panel and fill the light. I need to put some screws on my heat panel. I need a generator. I'm thinking a Honda 22. They say it's super quiet. So that's going to be part of the list. And of course, I need to work on my back 40. Excuse me. So, as you see, the license plate could be better. Taillights on the back 40 could be better. I'm thinking about upgrading the taillights in general. And no rack because I like the look and haven't got to it. So I can use that for excuse. Now, personally, I love these bumpers because they're cushy. I had to get an extension to plug that in to get my backs to work. I got my 3 hitches, 1, 2, and 3, which gives us total stability. I put a couple screws in this guy, and these guys ain't going nowhere, so I can roll my bike up and down so easily. It's silly. Okay, didn't use the barbecue, not taking it next time. Didn't use the firewood, not taking it next time. Broom, handy. Shovel, handy. Rake, very handy. Brought my toolbox for my electrical miscellaneous. Got my electrical miscellaneous and extension cord I plugged into my buddy's generator. This is my Murphy bed that's temporarily locked in because I have to do the woodwork around it. And there's storage under it. And I'm gonna fill this with maybe a radio or something, I'm not sure. So that's this piece here is fastened to this piece. I have double insulation on this sweeper inside and a sweeper outside. New bottom rubber. I still have to work on the top part. And so you can see how I did the cabinets. Got some work to do on that. These here are designed for temporary. They want to put a lot of screws, but these are the legs. So envision, you know, you got to come out here and see what you're playing with, right? So that's like a table. So next to the kitchen, we have the closet that just clears the overhead. We have the bathroom that's potential. I've got plenty of water storage, mini fridge. I bought the big sink because I can put the storage in it more useful. Of course, a chair, trash can, book of maps, recliner, curtain. This here's a wire chase that's 110 or AC this way, DC that way. Microwave's gonna go here, hood vent's gonna go here. And of course the hood vent will have a light built into it. This is my power. I gotta clean that up. Right now it's just pretty sloppy because I just wanted to get out here and I figured I'd play with it when I got out here, and there really ain't much to it. I'm not really running much off it yet. I wired this up while I was here because my buddy has the generators. This is the inverter that I haven't wired up yet. Wire chase, storage underneath, extra cooler, reclining front seat. As you can see, the view through the front window and the recliner seat is just breathtaking. So basically the front. I have to build up the floor a little bit because it's not comfortable for my foot. The heater, must have, it works great. The cabinetry, I'm working on a lot of it, trust me. I had to put in my pocket door, which is successful and installed. I have to do the headliner. I had a different cross here. I made a wooden custom one, but this seems like there's a reinforcement that keeps the whole thing from rocking. So I went with that. This here is my pull-out. My dog sits up here when I drive. He loves it. And I'm going to make a shelf down here for shoes. And obviously you can see the walk down step and the greens. So I did work on the door, so I did show it's complete, but no, I need to readjust this panel on the bottom. I have to fasten. I just got it up and got it working because I want to go camping. And then my mirrors, those are badass customs. I like those a lot. And my front bumper, I need to take it apart and put it back together so it twists more straight. So that's kind of the review of my basic. My greens, my back 40, my P30. Thank you.